want to see how this turned into this, then keep on watching. First, you want to go ahead and melt your vegan butter. If you're doing this, I'd recommend the bain-marie way because it doesn't melt in the microwave. Then you're just going to add the brown sugar, and I was struggling here, so it takes a while. Later on, I looked at the video and realised I didn't have enough sugar, so I did add a little bit more off camera because I didn't have enough in compared to what she said. But that's because I was measuring it in tablespoons. Then I added in the oat milk, and it was just a splash of this really. I just went ahead and mixed this all together with a fork, and then obviously I added in the more sugar off camera, that's why the colour changed there. And then I went ahead and started to add in the flour, and I had to keep on checking back with the video because I forgot the measurements for this, so sorry about that. Then I just went ahead and added in the pinch of salt and baking soda. And then I just went ahead and stirred that together. Since mine was a bit like on the runny side, not as thick as hers was, I decided to add a little bit more flour just to thicken it up, because it looks thick here but it wasn't that thick. Then I went ahead and started to break up this vegan chocolate bar that I had. I didn't have any chocolate chips, so that's why I'm using a chocolate bar. Now, since I'm a bit of a plonker and forgot that I didn't have any parchment paper in, I had to use like cupcake cases because I didn't have any parchment paper in, so I used those instead. And since my microwave didn't do too well at melting the butter, that's why I did the double boiler bain-marie method, so I just decided to do it in the oven, and I put them in cupcake cases because I didn't have parchment paper. However, I cooked them at gas mark 4 to 5, just in between that, and they came out pretty alright, to be honest. It still was just exactly like having a cookie, although it looked like a cake, but it was very nice. But before I put them in to the oven, they were a bit greasy, as you can see from my hands, but apart from that they were really good. Then this is what the final result looked like. As you can see, they do look a bit like cupcakes, not really cookie looking, however they taste like a cookie. And this is what it was supposed to look like, but yet again, do bear in mind that I did not use a microwave and I did some of the stuff differently too. So overall, it was an amazing recipe and I definitely recommend.